Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this very old metal snap style mousetrap known as Indestro. This trap was first patented by Herbert Stilson of Chicago, Illinois on December 20th, 1932. I just love looking at the old patent drawings. Back then they hired artists to include every detail. Just imagine this trap brand new and shiny without any rust. Now they also made it into an easy setting mouse killing machine. What's special about this trap is the trigger. There's no lever to wrap around the kill bar. What you do is you pull it back and it just clicks into place. If you put a little bait on the trigger, the mouse will come along and you got it. Now even though this trap is so easy to set, he didn't invent the trigger system. This one-click mousetrap trigger was actually first invented by Herbert's brother, William Stinson, who received a patent for his invention on December 4th, 1917. And several decades before making the industrial trap, William made his own version of a snap trap with a wooden base, and he called it the good trap. I have a good mouse and rat trap here. We're going to try these out in a future video. They're really easy to set. You just pull back the kill bar, clicks into place. Same with the mousetrap, one click. Now this easy setting trigger system was very popular. It became the foundation for McGill's traps known as the Better series. I have a Better mousetrap here. You just pull it back. The Better mousetraps are much more common, not as rare as the older ones. These were mass produced. And it didn't take long for McGill's competitor Victor to make their own version. Here's a Victor mousetrap with the same trigger. This was called the auto set. You pull this back. Let's go test out the industrial trap in the chicken coop with motion cameras. We'll put a little peanut butter right there, see if the mice come along and get caught. It didn't take long to get 2 mice in the chicken coop with the industrial mousetrap. They wanted the peanut butter, hit that automatic trigger, and got caught. To remove them, you pull back the kill bar and give it a little flip. Now I have to be really selective in the footage I show on YouTube, so if you want to see the full sequence of this trap in action, I'll put it on my website. Now I don't want those 2 mice to go to waste, so I'm going to go set them up in the woodshed and see what wild animals come to eat them. Every night a skunk and a possum have been coming, so it's basically a race to see who gets there first. I was wondering if the skunk or a possum would find the mice first, and the winner was the skunk. It came along and enjoyed a 2-mouse course meal. So in the future, if the opossum wants to eat, it has to get there early. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider clicking the button right there. I'm posting videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, So if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.